Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. The title of the book is Progressive English Unit 2 DC. Today our topic is poetry, that is on page number 41. You have to open your book on page number 41. The summary of the poem is the tide rises, the tide falls. As a representative of life, this poem represents the perspective of an old traveler who is standing on the verge of death. The poet represents the never ending rise and fall of the tide in contrast with the fan journey. Fan journey means Medud Safar of the traveler to show the mortality of life. Now come on page number 41. Here is poetry. The tide rises, the tide falls. Tide means the alternative, rising and falling of the sea. Here is a poem about the tide coming in and out. It has three verses. 1, 2, and 3. Each one with 5 lines. There is mystery. Mystery means, students, tide comes up and goes down. Mysteries mean tide comes up, goes down. Traveler in the poem, perhaps means shayad, you can solve it. The tide rises, the tide falls. The twilight. Twilight means, students, between light and darkness. Twilight means between light and darkness. Urdu means dhundlaka. Darkness, the curlew. Curlew means blackbird. Curlew means black bird, like a crow. Urdu means murghabi. Calls. Along the sea sands, damp. Damp means numb. And brown. The traveler hastens. The traveler hastens means hurries, jaldi, towards the town. And the tide rises, the tide falls. Now come on. Second verse. Darkness settles on roofs and walls, but the sea and the darkness calls and calls. The little waves with their soft white hands. Fs. Fs means, student, disappear, wipe or wipe away, यानी गायब हो जाना, अमलियामेट कर देना, मिटा देना. Fs the footprints, यानी वो जो पाँव के जो निशान थे मिटा दिए. In the sands. Sands mean रेत. And the tide rise and the tide falls. Now come on, last one. The morning breaks. The steeds. Steeds mean a horse being ridden or a horse available for riding. Steeds mean in their stalls. Stamp and neigh. Neigh mean neigh. This one is neigh. Neigh mean the cry of horse. Urdu means hinhinana. As the ostler. Ostler mean ईसाइयों का त्यौहार. Calls. The day returns, but never more. Never more mean never again. Returns the traveler to the shore. And the tide rises, the tide falls. Very easy, students. I think you have to got this poem. Now come on page number 42. Here is vocabulary. You have to match the column. Words are twilight, stalls, hastens, neigh, shore, Fs, wipe away, noise with, horses make, hurries, between light and darkness, stables and beach. First one, twilight. Twilight mean between light and darkness. Twilight mean between light and darkness. Next word is stalls. Stalls mean stables. Stalls mean stables. This one. Third one is hastens. Hastens means hurries. This one. And next, neigh. Nice, which horses make. Shore mean beach. And the last one, fs. Fs mean wipe away. Here are some words you have to find out the meaning of these words. Like this one, dusk mean Urdu means sham. Here is the new word dawn. Dawn mean fajr. Afternoon, daybreak, evening, twilight, between light and darkness, first light, pehli light. Here is questions. What time of the day or night is it? In the first verse, time is evening. In the second verse, time is night, and in the third is morning time. Second question is, what part does the traveler play in the first verse, in the third verse? In the first and third verse, traveler play, he disappear, never come back. He disappear and never come back. Note down your homework. Your homework is, you have to read page number 41 2 or 3 times, and also you have to learn the meaning of the difficult words, and also you have to match the column that is on page number 42. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.